Hi there. So another question that's often asked is how to do a percentage increase in Excel. So I've created another tab here, percentage increase. If we go back to the original table and just scroll to the top and just select a bit of sample data to use. So let's pick this section and copy and paste. So missed off the months, Jan, Feb. Suppose you want to see the percentage change between the 2 months. So first of all, we need to calculate the movement, which is just one minus the other, equals that one minus that. And then you express the movement as a fraction of the original number, so equals D2 divided by, and then with the arrow key, B2, enter. So minus 0.958, and we just format that as a percentage. So it's gone down 96%. So from 349 to 15 is a minus 96% change. And then of course we just copy that and paste it down. Then we can see all the changes. That one's gone up 1,813%. It's maybe slightly confusing, this data series. So let's try more realistic numbers. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it here. So let's make these sort of 100, 120, 90, and we'll make these just a bit closer. So it's a bit easy to see what's going on here. So this has gone up from 100 to 110. So movement of 10, we just got up 10%, which is L2 divided by J2, formed as a percentage. And of course this is just rounded to the nearest whole percentage. If we wanted more decimal places, we could do that if we wanted. And there is another way of doing this if we didn't want to have that movement column there. Yeah, so let's copy this and paste it here. Let's delete these two. Supposing we want to do everything all in that column, so you could just do it by a formula. So equal, open brackets, and then first of all we calculate the movement, which is left arrow minus left arrow twice, close brackets. So that is 10. Okay, let's go back in and F2. So we've expressed the movement there as a formula, and then we do divided by, and then we can do, you can't go left arrow here because it gets mucked up inside the formula. So you have to go down arrow and along and then up again to select Q2, press enter. So that says R2 minus Q2 all in brackets to get 10, and then divided by Q2, which is 100. So that gives 0 rounded to the nearest whole number, but we know of course that is actually 0.1, and when expressed as a percentage, that's 10%. So in other words, it's the same number, and these are all the same as that. So the advantage of this is we don't need to do that extra column movement, which you can clutter up the spreadsheet. The disadvantage is that this is a slightly more complicated formula than what we have in here, because it's got 3 things in it rather than 2. So, and also the advantage of this is that it has got the movement there if you wanted to see it. So I hope that's clear now, how to calculate a percentage. It's basically any calculation you want, and then you can just format it as a percentage.